I thought it would be kind of fun if I took you guys with me.
I'm a rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a motherfucking rock star. Every day I rock hard. I'm a rock star.
Hi Rockstars, I'm Aly, your Rockstar bar girl, and I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on with me. This year I took the big step of becoming a sole proprietor. So Rockstar Bar Girl is officially a business. I've always thought of it that way, but it's officially a business. And I launched my website this summer so that I can offer you guys like a full online course. I recently heard of an opportunity that I am considering. A consulting firm that is an international firm has locations all over the United States, and they are looking for franchisees. And when I saw their information, I got interested and I reached out to them. I had a really informative conversation with the franchise owner based out of Tennessee. Consulting is something that I'm passionate about. You guys know how much of an impact being a bartender has had on my life. I dropped out of law school after 2 years at the George Washington University Law School in DC to pursue hospitality full-time because I realized that this was just the right industry for me. I love teaching others, I love helping others, and I love going into bars and restaurants and sharing with them the things that I have learned so that they don't make the mistakes that I've seen so many other owners make, and that they turn things around for themselves in their sales, in their staffing, in their marketing, etc. New York is a very competitive and very saturated field. And while I have total faith in myself as a consultant, I know that having the backing of a nationwide organization will make me more desirable and more trustworthy to bar and restaurant owners who are struggling and don't necessarily know who they should turn to, who they should give their money to turn things around for them. So I'm excited about the idea of consulting for bars and restaurants, but having a bigger company, a well-known company behind me to help me market myself and help support me while I help these bars and restaurants. So the franchise owner, who is based out of Tennessee, is going to be in Philadelphia. So she has invited me to come down to Philadelphia and see what a day in the life of a franchise owner is like and what the job entails. So I'm doing research on the company. They just sent me over the contractual agreement that I would be entering into if I decided to become a franchisee, and a part of that is this confidentiality agreement. It's kind of exciting for me. I've never signed an actual NDA before. I have signed like non-compete clauses as a part of my management contracts, but a full-on confidentiality agreement I've never signed before, so I'm super excited. So I'm going to sign it right now. I don't know if this is like a moment in my life, but I thought I would capture it just in case, because like it kind of feels like it's like a moment. Done. Now my husband has to sign it. The Rockstar Bar husband has to sign it too. He is going to be driving down to meet me tomorrow so that he can be a part of the audit as well. You know, this is potentially really huge for our family. If we decide to do this, it will be a big investment for us. It will be hands down the single largest amount of money we've ever spent. But I said, you know what? This is a great opportunity. I called an old friend, Kat. She and I bartended together here in New York before she moved to Philadelphia to go to grad school. I called her up and I said, hey girl, can I come crash on your couch? And she said, absolutely. So Kat, I can never thank you enough. So awesome. I'm gonna take the bus because I'm just starting out in business. So can't spring for a flight or even the train. So I'm gonna be getting on the bus. I thought it would be kind of fun if I took you guys with me. So let's go. Hi Rockstars! So we made it to the bus to Philly and we're on our way, getting ready to go into the tunnel, which is like, if you've ever taken the bus out of New York, that's the official start of your trip, when you hit the tunnel. So we're about to go through the tunnel. I have some work to do, so hopefully I get it all done. I have to review my documents and the contract and do a little bit more research before tomorrow's meeting. So hope I get it all done in this 2-hour trip. Philly, how exciting. Drexel University. What? Shout out to y'all. My ride was okay, but my driver kind of sucked. He didn't turn on the Wi-Fi and it was the bumpiest ride of my life. I probably could have churned milk into butter, but I made it in one piece, and most importantly, I managed to get the report that I was working on for the Rockstar Bar husband completed. That is super important, and now we are gonna call ourselves an Uber and get on our merry way. All right, thank you. Okay, we're going to 51st. Yeah. Okay, so somehow I managed to set my alarm, but not turn the alarm on. Thank God for the Rockstar Bar husband. He called me at 6 a.m. driving into town and is on his way to pick me up. So I should still be on time, but I have to finish getting ready and get all my stuff packed up together. And these 2 cats are running around, making that really difficult. But partially dressed in our outfit, and I should be ready in like 10 more minutes. Here we are at the bar, and I can't film while I'm inside at the meeting, so I'm just gonna go inside. Wish me luck, guys.
One eternity later.
So we just got out of the meeting, 3.5 hours long, quite a lengthy meeting, but we learned a lot of really good information, and of course, as with any meeting like this, we're probably now going to have even more questions than when we started, but that's part of the process. But so far, so good, and now we are on our way to lunch and then back to New York.
Turn left.
Okay, so we are back. Joe is dropping off the rental car and we'll be home shortly, but we're home. Like I said, I don't want to talk about the name of the company just yet. We're in the very, very, very early stages of just learning more about the company and learning more about our contractual agreement with the company should we decide to move forward with purchasing a franchise. So just to let you guys know that I think it went really well. I think that the regional franchise owners think that I'm a good fit for the company, which is always a great thing to hear. And then on our end, it was really good to get more information about the company and about their history, what they offer to their franchise owners, and what they're all about, because I definitely think that they would be a great partnership slash parent company for somebody like me. Now the next steps going forward are super technical, and they involve a bunch of budget crunching and attorneys looking over documents and just all of that good stuff, so that we can figure out as a unit, the Rockstar Bar husband and I, we can figure out whether or not this is a good move for us, and financially if it's something that we can take on right now. I'm super optimistic, and yeah, I just wanted to let you guys kind of see what's going on behind the scenes. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this little video, and I'm looking forward to bringing you more updates as we continue on in this process. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, and of course if you have any advice or referrals, just leave them down below. Remember to subscribe. Click on the bell button down below so you're notified every time a new video comes out. Follow me on Instagram at rockstar_bargirl, and check out my website, therockstarbargirl.com. Lots of goodies on there. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Rockstars.
Rockstar.